so we'll just take another one here, pop it in. Okay, tap it a little bit here. Now some of these I already did and I've kept plain because that's what we're going to make our rabbits, and we'll make a little chick and a basket. Okay, so you want to get as much excess chocolate off as you can so it doesn't run down the stick, but I always kind of go back and check and make sure that it doesn't run down by just kind of going like that. See, it's going to start coming down. I just kind of grab that. So we'll just do one of these and take some like this. See, that chocolate's setting fast already. Once you get it on there, you can kind of go like this a little bit. Make sure they're all on there. Okay, how about we do a coconut one? For that, I've got some green coating chocolate, and then I've got a bag of coconut that I just put some green airbrush color in the bag with white coconut and just kind of kept shaking it until all the coconut was colored. Now for a second, open this up. It's actually coming off the stick a little bit, that one. Okay, and then kind of put it in. And you see like that, and then I'm just going to take some extra and pop it on the top and all the way around it. And then you can lift it out. Okay, little coconut balls. Okay, voila. Those are great colors for Easter.